Welcome to our channel. I am Deepak from TechPex Research and Innovation Services. Today I am here to present you one of the topic in the digital image processing. So the topic that I am covering today is image segmentation. The image segmentation, one of the effective technology that is implemented in many of the areas. Either it will be medical, defense, general image segmentation, for the photography and many other applications. So the segmentation is one of the best technology on which you can work. Now these days the optimization algorithms are very much popular to solve this segmentation issue. So in this we have implemented an advanced version of the Firefly optimization algorithm, which is a basically hybrid model, right? So which is named as FAST. It is not fast, it is the combination of the two technologies, so that's why it is named as FA, and ST is the another technique, right? So what we have done, let's have a look first. When I'm running this code, it will firstly give me an option to select an image anywhere from the PC. So I have taken few of the images as I need to compare it with the traditional technology. So I am taking the common images in that paper and in our technology also. So I am selecting the Barbara, which is the internal image of the MATLAB also. So when I am opening it, it will process it, will calculate the segments from it. The iterations are being processed to formulate the segmentation, and later once the segmentation will be done, multiple factors are being calculated for the different techniques, and also the results are being compared in terms of PSNR and other quality of service factors, which are showing it as a effective output. You can see this is the comparison of the existing FA algorithm and the proposed algorithm in terms of the PSNR for different images, right? It is showing for the different because I have saved the other results, because the overall result is to be shown in this short video, that's why, but we will focus on the main image that I have selected. This is the results for the selected image. This is the stability factor. So you can see the proposed algorithm is giving the better results with respect to the existing FA. This is the SSIM, that is similarity index. This is the misclassification error, which is less in our case. This is basically the SSIM of the individual, and this is the combination comparative analysis of the proposed and the traditional. As you can see, the PSNR is more in terms of the proposed, and these are the histogram. So let's have a look at what exactly the results we have achieved in terms of segmented image only, right? So these are the histograms that I have plotted. So this was the existing FA based segmentation result. As you can see, it is not that much clear, but by the proposed algorithm it is much clearer, and segments are much differentiating from each other, which can be used for different technologies. Firstly, we have applied the Shannon based segmentation in this. Over that we have applied the optimization algorithm. One more modification is being done in this, that at the initial stage, as you can see, the original image is not that clear. So an enhancement approach is being applied over this, so that a clarity of the segments present in the image can be achieved. The technique that we have used in this, you can know about that by contacting us, that which image enhancement technique is being used and why we have used that. Along with that, a hybrid model of optimization is being used after the Shannon based segmentation, so that a refined segmented image can be achieved. And finally, a comparison over the performance factors is being done, so that the efficiency of the proposed technology can be defended. So this was the original image which was converted to the grayscale. Later the processing was done on it. So I hope you people like this video, and those who want to work on the image segmentation in any of the domain can go for this technology and can get idea from this. Even more modifications are still possible in this. So I hope you people like this video. Thanks for watching the video. Feel free to contact us over the numbers, those are given in the description below. Thank you.